Anybody else?
Morning, gentlemen. James Tracy, Land Use Council for Fred Hill Materials. I want to begin this morning. I've got several things to say. I'm going to move fairly rapidly, but it's a real pleasure to begin this morning with a compliment to Commissioner Austin for his statement last week when confronted with public opposition to the hearing examiner's decision in Iron Mountain. Mr. Austin correctly informed the public that it is not appropriate for this board to be involved in quasi-judicial decisions. Now, he didn't state all the reasons why it's improper, but you got the right result, and I'm very, very pleased to have seen that. Of course, FHM is going to expect the same kind of treatment from this board when you're faced with public criticisms about our application pending before the hearing examiner, and it follows as the day the night. If we don't get equal treatment, it creates a real due process and equal protection issue for the county. Now for the bad part, Commissioner Austin. Your statement last Monday during our discussions on the contract termination that, quote, apparently the letter had its desired result, close quote, pure political puffery. Fred Hill Materials was operating in good faith on the agreement we had with the staff at the time, and this board was apparently uninformed of that fact or failed to take it into account in their decision. We did, as a company, however, appreciate the chance for a dialogue. We actually got to stand here in a public forum and speak with you about an issue. That was marvelous. Looking back, I can probably count on one hand the times we've been able to, no, one finger, the times we've been able to do that. And I hope we can deal with and address issues that arise in the future in the same kind of colloquy rather than precipitous actions on each side of an issue. Commissioner Sullivan, your turn. You know I was upset about your comment that Fred Hill Materials had minimized the need for an EIS on the 50th pier. I challenged you on it. I arrived at your candidates forum and asked you a question about it, and you gave me an answer, and I appreciated that answer. You said that Fred Hill Materials had objected to certain EIS directions